Hi, dear customers. This is Katie from QLQ company. Okay, now I'm going to show to you SS slider with 620 pieces per kilo. Let's see it can pass the HASHIMA needle detector machine or not. Now, just now I put 10 pieces on there. Okay, two line, one line is 5 pieces. So I can tell to you it cannot pass. It cannot. So now let's see. So you can see it cannot pass because this is SS slider, not the glass. Okay. So now I will show you another situation one by one. So now, okay, let me stop the machine first. Okay. Now I put it one by one. Okay, I put some by two pieces. Even this one also. Okay, so now let's see the situation by this line can pass or not. I start the machine with a grade and 1.0. So now let's start. Okay, you can see it can pass smooth. But if you put them together, for example, like this way, now it can be because it's more. Now this is also cannot, so we must make it like this, okay? So it can go, but now cannot. Why? Because you can see they are together. So let's put like this, wait, and then so the distance is too close. Also cannot be. Now let's see. So you can see it can pass smooth. Okay, now let's do it one by one. But now that is not one by one because I took 3 pieces together, so it came back. So now one by one. So you see, 2 pieces also cannot. So it came back. Okay, I take it and then go again. So you can see it can pass. It can pass. So if you by one, then it can pass. If you can accept the 4.5, still is still SS slider by one pass the needle detector machine. You're welcome to contact us. We are QQ company in Guangzhou. Thank you.